Welcome to the TechMechanic. Today's breakdown is part of our Azure Architecture Master Series. If you want the full roadmap, then hit the playlist from the start. With that said, let's dive into today's topic. Last time we learned how Azure Firewall protects your network. But here's something surprising. A hacker does not always attack your network. Sometimes, they attack your website itself. And a traditional firewall often cannot understand these web attacks. That's why Azure provides a Web Application Firewall, or WAF. There are two different kinds of attacks. Network attacks target ports, protocols, and IP addresses. Web attacks target your application using malicious HTTP or HTTPS requests. Azure WAF specializes in protecting web applications. Azure Web Application Firewall is a Layer 7 firewall. Instead of inspecting network packets, it inspects HTTP and HTTPS requests. It understands websites, URLs, cookies, headers, and application traffic. To view and manage your Azure Web Application Firewall, or WAF, in the Azure portal, you can find it as a standalone security policy. Let's look at the quickest way to find all your policies globally. First, sign in to the Azure portal. Next, head up to the top global search bar and type in Web Application Firewalls. From the services list that drops down, select Web Application Firewalls, WAF policies. This page will display all of your global and regional policies in one single view. You can select policies and choose your domain and just review and create. Think of Azure Firewall as the security guard at your company's entrance. Azure WAF is the receptionist. The security guard checks who enters the building. The receptionist checks whether the visitor has a valid appointment and whether they are behaving suspiciously. Different jobs. Both important. One of the oldest web attacks is SQL injection. Instead of entering a username, an attacker enters malicious SQL commands. Without protection, the application could expose sensitive data. Azure WAF detects and blocks these attacks automatically. Another common attack is cross-site scripting. Attackers inject JavaScript into your website. When other users visit the page, that malicious script executes inside their browser. Azure WAF identifies these patterns and blocks them. Azure WAF includes built-in protection against the OWASP top 10. These are the world's most common web application vulnerabilities. Instead of creating thousands of security rules yourself, Microsoft continuously updates them. Imagine millions of customers shopping online. Azure WAF filters every request before it reaches the shopping website. Legitimate customers continue shopping. Attackers are blocked. Banks receive millions of login requests daily. Azure WAF protects internet banking portals against common web attacks before they reach the application. One way to deploy Azure WAF is through Azure Application Gateway. It protects applications running inside a specific Azure region. For globally distributed applications, Azure Front Door provides WAF protection at Microsoft's edge locations. This blocks attacks before they even reach your Azure region. Azure Firewall protects your network. Azure WAF protects your web applications. Enterprise architects often deploy both. Modern enterprise architectures combine multiple security layers. Azure WAF filters web attacks. Azure Firewall protects the network. NSGs secure workloads. WAF provides defense in depth. Architects never rely on a single security layer. Every layer blocks a different category of attacks. This is how modern Azure Enterprise Security is built. Every layer protects something different. Together, They create a highly secure cloud architecture. Remember this simple rule. Azure Firewall protects your network. Azure WAF protects your web applications. Use the right security service for the right problem. Whether your goal is to become a solution architect, cloud architect, AI architect, or simply a better software engineer, TheTechMechanic is your learning destination. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in your tech journey.